Hi friends! Today, I'm showing you a variety of crawl-drilled rhinestones. Many of you have asked about them. So I decided to make a proper video covering their colors, sizes, and variants. I'll also show you different locks and center brooch as well. That can make your bracelets even more beautiful and stylish. First, let's look at the round claw rhinestones. The largest one I have here is 6 millimeters, and the sizes go down to about 2.5 to 2 millimeters. The back comes into colors gold and silver, while the rhinestones themselves are available in various colors. Check out these lovely colors, shine, and sizes. All are perfect for your creativity. These are 4 millimeters round rhinestones.
From hair clips to jewelry fine.
This one is 3 millimeters round crawl rhinestone.
A symphony of color and light.
2.5 millimeters are tiny but looks so pretty. Crushed gold spacer beads. These beads are used as spacers in jewelry making to add a decorative element between larger beads or rhinestones. Now, let's move on to the star-shaped beads. I'll be showing you some clips of star crawl-drilled rhinestones in size 4 and 5 millimeters, and different and vibrant colors. The back of all rhinestones are gold or silver.
A language spoken without a choice.
If any of you want to purchase these rhinestones, then let me know in the comments section. I will be glad to provide it to all of you. But let me tell you something, these are expensive.
She creates with every stitch, every thread that waits in her workshop.
Let's check some more random shapes.
Where art and craft abide.
I hope you like this video. For more valuable content, please subscribe. If you want to see a detailed brooch and locks collection, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Your love and appreciation means a lot. See you in the next video. Bye.
Threads and beads, young and old.